sentence. What is the second sentence, Setuja?
Singharaja is a rainforest.
Yes, yes. Can you translate into Sinhala?
Singharaja වැසි වනාන්තරයකි.
Singharaja is a rainforest. Correct. Next one, tell me, Rahendu. Third one.
පිදුරු තලාගල is mountain.
Piduru Talagala. Yes. Can you translate into Sinhala?
පිදුරු තලාගල කන්දක්.
Who put this mark? Book එකේ mark කරන්න කිව්වම කවුද මේ screen එකේ mark කරේ? Okay? Don't do wrong things. Piduru Talagala is a mountain. Yes. Now you can mark your book, children. Next one, tell me, Sasinu, number 4.
Mahavali is a river.
Yes. Can you translate into Sinhala?
Mahavali කියන්නේ ගඟක්.
Yes, yes. Mahavali is a river. Next one, tell me, Nuatra, tell me, number 5, Nuatra. Nuatra,
The national bird is jungle fowl.
yes. The national bird is jungle fowl. Yes. Can you translate into Sinhala? Nuatra, can you translate into Sinhala?
අපේ ජාතික පක්ෂියා වන්නේ වලිකුකුලාය.
Very good, very good. Now next one, tell me, who's want to tell? Netum, tell me, number 6. Netum.
The national flower is blue lotus.
Yes, can you translate into Sinhala?
අපේ ජාතික මල නිල්මානෙල් මල.
Very good, very good. Okay, children, these are your model paper page 2, question number 3. Third question's answer, okay? Now shall we go to our next page? Eka karlada tiyanne ka page 3 also. Now want to read first one. Rishindu, can you read first one? Yes, you have to read the full sentence, Rishindu. How old?
How old are you?
Yes, yes, very good. Next one, read Nuatra.
Who is your class teacher?
Yes, yes. Who is your class teacher? Do you know the Sinhala meaning, Nuatra? Can you translate into Sinhala? Who is your class teacher mean? What is the Sinhala meaning? Sanuki, do you know the Sinhala meaning?
ඔබේ පන්තියේ පන්ති භාර ගුරුතුමිය කවුරුන්ද?
Very good. ඔයාගේ පන්ති භාර ගුරුතුමිය කවුද? Yes, correct. Fourth one, read. Sanugi, can you tell? Fourth one.
Where is Nisal?
Very good, very good. Where is Nisal mean? Can you translate into Sinhala?
කොහෙද නිසල්?
Inne. Nisal koheda inne. Okay. Number 5, read Netum.
What do I can tell?
Yes, we have to tell.
Why do start? When is the festival?
Yes, yes. Rehendu correct. Okay. When is the what?
Does the festival start?
When does the, yes. When does the festival start? Can you tell the Sinhala meaning, Rehendu? When does the festival start? Do you know the Sinhala meaning, Rehendu?
කීයටද උත්සවය පටන් ගන්නෙ?
Yes, yes. කීයටද උත්සවය පටන් ගන්නෙ? You are correct. Very good. Yes, Nuatra.
Yes, teacher.
Now tell me, read number 6.
What are you taking part?
In. In what are
In.
you?
In what are you taking part?
Can you tell me, translate into Sinhala? In what are you taking part?
Done.
Done. Rehendu, can you help to yes, Rehendu. Very good. What is the Sinhala meaning?
ඔයා මොන තරගද පාට් එක ගන්නේ?
Yes. What are you taking part? Tarange mona part ekada ganne. Yes, correct. Okay, we can ask from
Who do you come from?
who do you come from?
Sorry, ma'am. What do you come from?
What? No.
Where do you come
Yes,
from? Where do you come from?
Yes, Asinu, what happened? Okadune. Where do you come from? Yes. Oya kohe indalada? Can you complete? Where do you come from mean? Can you translate, Sasino? Epar gihilladi Sasino. Yes, can you translate?
ඔයා කොහෙන්ද ආවේ?
Yes, very good. Number 8, tell me. Rehendu, read number 8.
What is your province?
Very good. Can you translate into Sinhala?
ඔයාගේ පළාත මොකක්ද?
Very good. Now,
How many students have come?
yes, very good. How many students have come? Can you translate into Sinhala, Rishindu? Can you translate into Sinhala?
කී දෙනෙක් මිනිස්සුන් කී දෙනෙක් ආවද?
Students mean no,
ළමයි.
not minisun, people. Minisun. Tell me, Sasinu.
ළමයි.
Sasinu.
ළමයින් කී දෙනෙක් ආවද?
Very good. How many students? Tell me last one. Nuatra, tell me last one.
Where is Bambarakanda? Where is Bambarakanda waterfall?
Can you translate into Sinhala?
Bambarakanda දියැලකි.
No.
කන්ද දියැලකි තියෙන්නේ.
Very good. Where is the Bambarakanda waterfall? Koheda Bambarakanda. Yes, you are correct. Where is Bambarakanda waterfall? Okay, children. Now these are your question. Number 1. What is the word, Sanugi? Tropical. Can you read, Puta?
Tropical.
Yes, tropical.
Tropical.
Second word, tell me, Risindu.
Colorful.
Yes.
Colorful.
Ahana kena kiyanna. Third one, tell me, Danuj.
Clear.
Yes. Fourth one, tell me, Nuatra.
Both.
Number 5, tell me, leader. Setuja, tell me number.
Attractive flowers.
Don't tell the answer. Attractive only. Okay, attractive. Yes. Now I will type the other parts. The other word. First word. What is the first word? Netum? Flowers.
Flowers.
Yes. Next one, tell me, Sasinu. After flowers, what is the word?
Rides.
Yes. Rides after. Sanula, tell me. Next word.
Climate.
Yes. Climate. Next one, tell me. Yes. Rehendu. Rehendu, tell me.
Birds.
Yes, Rehendu. Very good.
Thank you,
Next.
teacher.
Yes. Next one, tell me. Sanugi, tell me. Words after, what is the word?
Water.
Water. Yes. Now you have to match. Okay. I will ask one by one. Okay. Now tell me. What want to match? Tropical. What want to match? Very good, very good. Tropical climate mean, who know the Sinhala meaning? Risindu, do you know the Sinhala meaning? Tell me, Risindu. Huh? What Risindu can't hear? Mean, if you want, yes, tropical climate mean Ushna Kala Gunaya. Next one, tell me, colorful, what want to match? Nuatra, tell me. Colorful.
Birds.
Very good. Colorful birds mean Nuatra. Do you know the Sinhala meaning?
Pata kurullan.
Very good. Very good. Varnavat kurullan. Pata kurullan. Correct. Next one, tell me. Netum. Third one.
Birds. Climate.
No. Clear.
Clear water. Clear water.
Very good. Very good. Clear water. Puta, what is the Sinhala meaning? Sidhu Atura. Yes. Yes. Now, fourth one, tell me, Rehendu.
Boat rides.
Yes, yes. Do you know the Sinhala meaning?
Boat to Gamang.
Yes, boat to Savari. Okay, yes. Have you visited that? Gihila tiyanawada? Boat to Savari.
Yes, teacher.
Which
Yes,
place?
teacher.
Where did they go?
Yes, teacher.
Place. Can you remember? Matak karan.
Candy.
Candy, yes.
Pleasure world.
Lesha was also. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Teacher also went.
Nagadipa.
What?
Nagadipa.
Nagadeep. Yes, yes, yes. Nagadeep. Yes, Risindu, you are correct. Okay. Boat again tama yannoni. Yes. Last one, tell me.
Candy.
Yes. Danuj, tell me. Attractive.
Flower.
Yes, yes. Can you tell the Sinhala meaning?
Sittadaranna sulumal.
Yes, yes. Correct. Okay. Now, here see, we completed question number 5 also. Yes, yes. Now, enough children. Model paper book, enough now. Take your model workbook now. Take your workbook. Now, here, Setuji, tell me, we complete model paper book 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 5 pages we discuss now. I'm not discussing again, children. Next week, I hope to discuss 6 and 7. Okay, next week. Okay, I will discuss next week. Now take your workbook. Okay, I will ask 6 children. One by one, I will ask. You have to tell the answers. Number 1, tell me. I will type only word. Teacher type karanne answer ka vitarai. First one, tell me. Setuja. Can you read the first for plural? Godak තියනේවට අපි don't use කරන්නේ. Okay? පොඩි දෙයයි දෙන්නේ මේක ලියා ගන්න. Yes, you are correct, Rehendu. Book එකේ තියෙනවා. Next one, does not. Does not mean, what is the short word? Shortened word is doesn't. Very good. D-O-E-S-N. O එක මිස් වෙලා T එක දානවා. කමා එකට. D-O-S-N-T. Doesn't. Okay? Yes, for singular.
Singular.
Yes, yes, singular. Write this in your writing book, children. Make a vitarai denne. And you can write this, put the box and draw a box like this. And after put the star marks and write this like this. You have to write in your writing book.
Have wings.
Can you tell this, translate into Sinhala?
Lenante attatu naha.
Lenunta. Okay. Yes, lenunta attatu. You are correct, Setuja. Don't is the answer. Write don't. And after mark, put the correct mark. Number 2, tell me. Risindu, tell me number 2.
This tree doesn't have leaves.
Translate into Sinhala.
මේ ගස්වලට කොළ නැහැ.
Say it again. හරියට read කරන්න. බොරු කියන්නේ නැතුව. This tree මේ the ගස් වලට නම් ගොඩක් නේ. හරියට tell the correct meaning. බොරු කියන්න එපා. This tree doesn't have leaves mean who
මේ
knows?
ගසට කොළ නැහැ.
Yes, very good. මේ ගසට one tree, okay, doesn't have leaves. මේ ගසට කොළ නැහැ. Yes, correct. Number 3, tell me, Rehendu.
Vinul don't hurt animals.
Vinul is plural word. Rehendu. Vinul කියන්නේ ගොඩක්ද? Vinul doesn't hurt animals, okay? Vinul mean one person. එක්කෙනයිනේ. One boy. Then you can't say don't. Don't we can use for plural things. ගොඩක් නම් අපි don't use කරන්නේ. එක්කෙනෙක් නම් doesn't. Does, okay? Rehendu. Doesn't.
Animals kill.
ඒක නෙමෙයි පුතේ. Animals කියන්නේ වෙන එකක් නේ. ඒකේ meaning එක විනුල් සත්තුන්ට කරදර කරන්නේ නැහැ. විනුල් ගැන subject එක තමයි බලන්න ඕන. Okay? Rehendu. මට තේරුණා ඔයාලට වැරදිලා තිබ්බ එතනින් නේද? Okay. Now,
Okay, teacher.
yes, කමක් නැහැ. වැරදෙනවා තමයි. Okay. Number 4, tell me. Sasinu, tell me. Look at the subject, children. බලන්න රෙහිඳුට එතන හිතාගන්න බැරි උනේ. එයා අනිත් පැත්ත බැලුවේ. verb එක object බලන්න එපා. Look at the subject. මුල් එක බලන්න. කරන කෙනා. Subject is the main person. එයා තමයි ප්‍රධාන චරිතේ වාක්‍යයක sentence. Okay? Look at the subject and tell the answer. Number 4, tell me. Sasinu, tell me. Number 4.
Don't. Vinul and Tom don't get up early.
Yes, don't. Vinul and who's Tom mean 2 person. Then nekne. එතකොට don't හරි. Yes. You are correct, Sasinu. Yes.
People don't cut trees in the forest.
Can you translate into Sinhala?
මිනිස්සු වනාන්තරවල ගස් කපන්නේ.
Yes. මිනිසුන් වනාන්තරවල ගස් කපන්නේ නැහැ. Next, last one, read Sanugi.
Grasshopper doesn't make
Cobwebs. Cobwebs mean makunudal. Can you translate into Sinhala? Here, Sasinu, now you can.
SPECIAL.
What word?
Special.
Special mean what is the Sinhala meaning?
Special.
Special. Yes. Very good. Number 2, read Sanula, read. Soon read Sanula.
Animals.
Spell the word.
ANIMALS. Animals. Sattu.
Yes. Very good. Number 3, tell me Netum. Squirrel. Yes. Spell the word, Puta.
SQUIRRAL.
EL. Okay. Squirrel mean? What is the Sinhala meaning? Yes. Number 4, tell me. Sasinu. Correct. Very good. Sasinu, tell me number 4.
Insect. INSECT.
Very good. Wait. Sasinu, wait. I asked only one word. Risindu, tell me next word. Risindu. Soon tell Risindu. Yes.
Nectar.
Yes. Wait. No, I will ask. Nectar, spell the word.
nectar.
Nectar mean what is the singular meaning? Very, yes, small penny. Yes. Yes, okay. Not me penny. Yes, small penny. Yes. Number 7. Tell me. Who's Nuatra? Tell me number 7.
Villages.
Spell the word, Putta.
VILLAGERS.
Very good. Number 8. Tell me our next girl. Sanugi. Wait, Danuj. Sanugi, tell me.
Mountain.
Spell the word, Putta.
MOUNTAINS.
Yes. What is the singular meaning?
Khand.
Yes, very good. Number 9. Tell me, Danuj.
Nature.
Spell the word.
NATURE.
Yes. What is the singular meaning?
Parisaraya.
Yes. Last one. Tell me. Setuja. Setuja, tell me. Soon. Take a photo if you want.
Last one, last cake.
Setuja. Yes. Then